Hello and welcome to D Studio Android tutorials for absolute beginners. And in this series of tutorials, we will create some simple programs in Android Studio, and then we will create social web apps like Facebook, and we will also create a video tutorial based application in Android Studio. So the first thing uh, that I'm going to do is I am showing you how to connect your device with your Android Studio. So this is my device, and you can see my device, and the first thing you need to do is go to the settings and scroll at the bottom, uh, scroll to the bottom, and at the bottom you will see the developer option. This the developer option. If your phone doesn't have this option, then simply tap on the Android phone, about phone, and you will see a build number in this. So tap 5 times continuously on this build number, and you will see a message, a toast message, which will say that you are now a developer. If I tap 7 times, it is showing that no need, you are already a developer. So go back and you will see this developer option. So tap on the developer option and you will see this uh, option. So click on the developer option and click on the USB debugging, and I have actually click on this. Okay, so click on this option as well, the USB debug option, and you will connect with your Android Studio. So go to the Android Studio and create a new project as my application. For example, my first application, and package name is going to be myapp.com, and click next. Select the minimum SDK version. So I have selected the Android 4.4 KitKat, and click the next and select the empty activity. Click next and then click finish. And wait until the Gradle build is complete. In this application, we will create a text box and a button. So the application is very simple. You can just input some text, for example, name, and then if you and when you click on the button, it will show a toast message of your name. I mean to say that the text you give the input in the text box, and it will show the name in your text box on the toast message, in the toast message. So let's start with this. So the first thing you need to do is click on the activity main. Wait until the Gradle build is finished. Like in every programming language, your first program is the Hello World program. And in Android Studio, you do not require to write anything uh, to create a hello world program, as this is done by the Android Studio itself. And here you can see that um, this hello world text view. So remove this text view and again replace this constraint layout with the relative layout. Relative layout, and remove this line, and again the first thing is the added text, and the width of this added text is match parent, and the height of this added text is going to be the wrap content. Again add the margin from the top, and the margin of the from the top will be 10 dp, make it 20 30. Okay, and the id of this added text is going to be txt name. Now next thing will be input type. So the input type is going to be name, text person name. Now this is okay. And another thing is to add a button match parent wrap content. Give it an id, button show, btn show, and this button will below the edit text. So right below and select the layout below attribute id, and the id is going to be text name. So this button will below the text in the edit text. So write a text on the button as show text. Okay, and the next thing, click on the main activity. Now create two variables for the text view, and another one is the button. So added text, added text, added text, and another one is button, and now give the reference to these two views in the onCreate method. So the first thing is added text is equal to find view by id r.id dot txt name, and another reference is button is equal to find view by id r.id dot btn show. uh, Now button dot set on click listener. It's means that whenever we click on the show text button, it will show the result. It will show the end output of the text which we will give as input in the edit text. So set on click listener, new on click listener, and this and in the on click method create a string variable as name, and this is going to be edit text dot get text dot toString, and show a toast message, toast, and change this one with the name. Okay, so this is all done. Click on the play button, the run button, and you will see your device over here, and click OK, and you will now see the output of this application. This is a simple application in Android Studio. Okay, and the application is now ready. So give it an input as Salam Pakistan, and click on the button show text, and you are seeing that it shows a text message as Salam Pakistan. So this is the first program in Android Studio